Radio. I am an innovative tool with a perfect surface area made to efficiently grind ingredients. I have served and still serving numerous African homes. My usage has become minimal due to technology. I am very effective when used with a ceramic or earthenware bowl. Our combination gives a product like that of the blender. I still serve a purpose in African homes, especially during the absence of electricity. Who am I? I am Tapoli, also known as wooden grinder. I was once used, but now my usage has become minimal. Moral lesson. As you see me today as a wooden grinder, I took over from a stone grinder. And now the blender has come to take over. Meaning a time will come, some technological tool will also take over from blender. We should understand that this world in which we exist, no condition is permanent. If you are occupying a position today, tomorrow you would have to hand over and somebody have to take over from you. So never be envious of your brother or sister. Let us live as one, because one day something will also take over from us. If you are watching and listening to this artistic piece, I want you to understand something, that we will one day leave this world. Wherever we are going, we don't know. But then, what legacy are we leaving behind? Remember, in as much as people are using blender, today, when there is no power, they will still fall on me. What legacy are you leaving behind? That if you leave the position in which you are today, tomorrow, how you treat the generation or your subordinates today, would there be a time that they would have to fall on you for a certain concern? Would there be a time that the generation will come to you and ask for your side of the story? What legacy are you leaving behind? Are you leaving a legacy that the generation that you hand over to will forget you, or they would remember to fall on you because you have occupied such a position before? Let us live our lives well, because as the earth evolves, so shall things also change. Don't use your position you have today to maltreat the others that are following you. We all need somebody. Everybody needs someone. So remember, everyone needs somebody.